Oh, hi there, everyone. This is your Jamaican girl, Norlene, and today I will be doing for you some spicy honey glazed wings. So, guys, I clean, wash, and season my wings, and after that, some coconut oil. I then allow this to marinate for an hour. Next, guys, I spray some non-stick spray in my air fryer, and after that, my wings. I then air fry it on both sides for 15 minutes, guys, and then I move to make my sauce. Next, guys, in a saucepan, I strain in all the sauce and drippings from my air fryer, guys, and then allow that to come to a boil. Next, guys, I'm gonna add to that some honey. Now, family and friends, if you have not subscribed as yet, please go ahead and do so now. Hit that like button, leave a comment, and turn on your post notification bell. All right, family and friends, I've added a third cup of honey, a third cup of red hot sweet chili sauce, a tablespoon of hot and spicy garlic infused oil, a tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of ginger and brown sugar, and stir well. Now, family and friends, if you like me, I just can't wait to dig into this, but it's not quite ready yet. So, guys, I'm gonna add to that my chicken wings, guys. Look at this. I just stir it in, guys. Add to that some green season, a little bit of black pepper, guys, and then I allow it to simmer for about 10 minutes. Now, after 10 minutes, guys, it's ready. Family and friends, the chicken wing look good, smell good, guys. I can tell you, say it tastes good. I'm gonna top it off with some sesame seeds. It's just to make it look fancy. You don't have to. And then, guys, it is all done. It's once again another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next week. But before I go, a very extra special welcome to all my new subscribers. Thanks for joining.